Someone in our community asked, what are the top 3 business mistakes that I see actors making? And I was like, this is such a good question. Let me answer you right quick. Number 1 is expecting agents to do all the work to get us auditions. This is such a pervasive problem in our industry. And the truth is that once people get to know you and get to know your work, your audition opportunities completely shift. And whether that is having a more prominent role or consciously making relationships, creating authentic relationships with people who might be able to hire you, that makes all the difference, and it's not up to your agent. Mistake number 2 is a lack of consistency in the actions you're taking. Just like your work and your craft needs consistency to matter, your acting and marketing actions need to be taken consistently as well. That's why we execute our marketing plans on the table 3 consecutive months before we consider changing anything, because the cumulative effect of all of these things really matters. And last but not least, mistake number 3 is not being specific with your goals and the actions that you're taking. We as actors, we want to do it all, right? We want to book a national commercial. We want to be an indie film darling. We want to book a series regular on a network TV show. But if we focus on all these goals at once, it makes it super hard to decide how to focus our efforts. And so we want to start to get specific, and then all kinds of doors open. It's almost like magic. So those are what I would call my top 3 mistakes. I would love to hear from you. What are some mistakes that you see actors making? Throw them in the comments.